Hello!
We hope you're all having a great autumn.
Absolutely.
We're only a couple of days away from December, and therefore a couple of days away from decorating the Christmas tree, so that's going to be another video, but...
It was great fun last year, wasn't it?
Yes, and with the decorating of Christmas tree comes the arduous task of Christmas presents.
Yes.
And we were thinking long and hard for presents for this one, and we have a couple of things in the stocking, and I have a couple of things in your stocking.
Ooh.
And
yours. Yours is full.
Of balls and trees. It's Ron's first Christmas and we're really excited, but he's really tiny, so he doesn't really need a lot of toys or equipment or tools for school or learning yet. So we decided to go with gifts that are a bit more virtual and a bit more thought-provoking rather than actual physical items. We'll show you what they are when he unwraps them on Christmas Day, but one of them we need to do something beforehand. So these are them.
What are they? Drum roll. Yes, right.
These are the Ancestry DNA kits, and we are going to take the test. We thought about getting one of them just for Ron, but then we figured if we do them separately, it's going to create a bigger picture for Ron, because he's obviously 50-50 of both of us. So we're going to each take a DNA test, and then we shall see where
we come
from. Yes.
I think we both have a general idea about our ancestry.
Well, you've gone back generations, haven't you?
I have
on
indeed.
The website.
Yeah. Largely Scandinavian, Norwegian, German, French even. A lot of Welsh and a lot of Cornish and Dorsetness. Dorsetness, yes, from Dorset.
If I had to guess, I would say I occupy Eastern Europe. There's speculation of perhaps a German surname, and my granddad's from Russia, and the rest of them are just going to be Lithuanian. So
yeah, so Lithuanian, Latvian.
If there's anything outside of Eastern Europe, I will be very surprised.
Indeed.
And it's going to be interesting.
That's the point. There's a rumour that my family, or one branch of them, are Caribbean. So it's going to be interesting to see if there is actually any Caribbean DNA. So what we need to do now is spit into a tube.
Is that how it works?
It is.
I was hoping for something more sophisticated, like a cheap swab.
Yeah. These kits come nicely packaged up with a little tube, and you're meant to spit into a tube and then dunk something in and put it back in the post, and they will send you your results via email in 4 or 6 weeks. So we're going to do this now.
Okay.
It'd be rather shocking if I turned out to be Lithuanian and Dee was Welsh.
I know. We got this wrong all along. What are your Christmas present wishes? What are your ideas for the festive period? Are you decorating the tree this weekend, or are you going to wait until the very last minute? Are you decorating the tree at all? We'd like to know what your plans are.
Absolutely.
We have put the Christmas fairy lights ages ago, before Ron was even born, so even more sparkle?
Absolutely. Let me double check the instructions. Right now, we spat into a tube, and now we'd have a cup of tea, because you can't have a drink for half an hour beforehand. Just put the kettle on in a minute. And there we have it.
Was that it?
That's it. Yeah, that's it. Done.
Fantastic.
All we need to do now is post these back over to Ireland, and they'll do their dibby magic, and we'll know where we're from.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
So that's one of the Christmas presents for Ron. A bit of background as to where we come from and where he comes from.
Bit of personal history.
We're quite disrooted. Is that a word?
It is disrooted, yes.
Okay, we are quite disrooted from where we come from and our families. We're up here in Orkney, although we're Welsh and Lithuanian, so it's going to be nice for Ron to know a bit about his background. Yeah,
absolutely.
So if this is one little step we can do to help,
then
we're doing it.
Absolutely.
And that's a good first Christmas present, where toys don't seem to matter all that much. So, you know, because next year he might want
a lot
hands-on
physical proper
things. Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
indeed.
that's right.
Well, we'll update you when the results come in, and we'll do a grand reveal of our histories.
And don't forget to watch us at Christmas because, well, I don't know when the video is going to be published, but we're going to film opening the Christmas presents.
Oh yes.
And one of them is going to be a rather interesting one for Ron. Once again, a non-physical present, but a rather interesting one, I think.
Absolutely.
I think. A bit pompous, a bit pointless, but
yeah,
a bit of fun, so.
Absolutely. Brilliant. We'll see you all soon.
See you soon.
Fantastic. Bye bye.